Hello, welcome to another edition of the Fifth Estate Show. My name is Felicia Oluwale and I am your host. Cholera is an acute diarrheal infection caused by eating or drinking food or water that is contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. Cholera remains a global health threat to public health. Researchers have estimated that every year there are 1.3 million to 4 million cases of cholera and 21,000 to 143,000 deaths worldwide due to the infection. Also today on the show, federal government and World Bank trains 496 youth in web app development. African Development Bank and ICRC stress co-creation to build resilience in Africa. Access to justice, NGO sensitizes 180 people in Zamfara community. This and more will be our focus on today's edition of the show. Hadiza Abubakar will give us details of the headline after the short break. Don't go anywhere, please.
Thank you, Folo. I am Hadiza Abubakar, and here are the reports and details. To boost digital proficiency among young Nigerians, the World Bank and the federal government, in collaboration with IT firms, have trained 496 individuals in web and mobile app development. At a recent event in Abuja, project leader Ololade Awe emphasized the necessity of digital skills in today's rapidly evolving world, highlighting the transformation brought by the digital revolution across industries and societies. Awe stressed the importance of equipping the workforce with essential digital skills to navigate and lead in this new landscape, aiming to bridge the gap between current capabilities and future demands. Following the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the African Development Bank (AFDB) and the International Committee of the Red Cross (ICRC), in December 2023, representatives met in Abidjan to review progress and strengthen their strategic partnership. The ICRC team, led by Regional Director for Africa, Patrick Youssef, visited the bank's headquarters on May 21, 2024. Morilara Aki Olugbade, AFDB Vice President, highlighted the commitment to leveraging collective strengths within the bank's new 10-year strategy to expand impactful programs and addressing fragility, food insecurity, and climate change in Africa. Youssef emphasized the partnership's relevance in finding durable solutions amidst increasing conflicts and humanitarian needs, reiterating the importance of international humanitarian law and sustainable humanitarian impact. In another development, Voluntary Aid Initiative (VAI), an NGO, has sensitized 180 people in Zamfara State to address barriers to justice and reduce sexual and gender-based violence. The sensitization, in collaboration with International Alert, took place in Safe, Bliblis, Birni Magaji, and Nasarawa Godel communities. Mr. Buhari Yawu, VIA's project officer in Zamfara, highlighted the theme, awareness and advocacy campaign for increased access to justice. The event was attended by Paul Iyulaku, represented by Mr. Sunday Jimo and Mrs. Fatima Sadu of International Alert. Paul praised the community's involvement, noting the project's goals of promoting sustainability, justice and accountability, reducing community-level violence, and giving marginalized groups, especially women, platform to voice their concern. Over to you, Folo.
Thank you, Hadiza. Those are some of the reports. Since 1st April 2024 and as of 30th April 2024, 526 new cholera cases, including 529 new deaths, have been reported worldwide. The 5 countries reporting the most cases are Syria, Afghanistan, Ethiopia, Yemen, and Haiti. In recent times, Nigeria has also recorded high cases of cholera outbreak in 30 states. In Lagos, it has risen to 423. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention, NCDC, said they may declare an emergency due to a cholera outbreak, as stated by the NCDC Director General, Dr. Jide Idris. The outbreak, affecting 30 states, prompted an emergency meeting in Lagos with the World Health Organization officials, UNICEF, and the International Organization for Migration. From January 1st to June 11, 2024, NCDC has reported over 1,141 suspected and 65 confirmed cholera cases, resulting into 30 deaths across 96 local government areas. Lagos State recorded 350 suspected cases with 17 confirmed deaths from severe dehydration due to delayed treatment. Dr. Idris emphasized monitoring the situation to determine if it exceeds manageable thresholds. We are still with the Fifth Estate Show. Here are some available grant opportunities that NGOs and individuals can apply for to get funds to sustain their activities right after the short break.
In a world filled with impactful stories and transformative experiences, the essence of change is vital. That's where we come in. With over 16 years of experience shooting documentaries, we specialize in productions for local and international non-governmental organizations. Our focus is on showcasing the results and impacts of non-profit intervention on individuals, institutions, and society. We capture the success stories that emerge from these interventions, allowing project management experts to focus on designing projects with the greatest value to the beneficiaries. Our skilled team of filmmakers, storytellers, and technicians serve as a powerful tool, raising awareness, fostering empathy, and mobilizing support for the cause that truly matters. If you are a non-governmental organization looking to amplify your impact through compelling storytelling, let us bring your success story to life, ensuring that the world hear the voices that deserves to be heard.
Connect with us by sending an email to info@isumedia.net.ng for more interesting updates. Follow us on our social media platforms @ISUMedia. ISU Media, ocean of ideas.
Welcome back. With a deadline of 16th October 2024, European Commission is accepting proposals to support ambitious interdisciplinary research that will lead to the development and production of sustainable nature-inspired alternatives for food packaging and agricultural production, such as but not limited to greenhouses and mulch farms. For more information, visit European Commission, check for eligibility and apply. Also, with a deadline of 1st August 2024, the Gender Budget Watchdog Network announces a public call for application for capacity building and sub-granting in gender and climate change financing by the Gender Budget Watchdog Network. For more information, visit GWN, check for more details, and apply. This is where we end this episode of the Fifth Estate Show. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to follow us on all social media handles @ISUMedia and subscribe to our newsletter on LinkedIn. I am Folusho Oluwole. Bye for now.